Hey everyone, I'm Ilya. If you're anything like me, then choosing doors, measuring them, and finding a good fitter to install them, well, that can be a bit of a bore. I mean, who wants to spend hours browsing reviews, vetting contractors, and then dealing with the quotes? Not me. That's why we created the Dream Door Makeover project. We're here to take the heavy lifting off your shoulders and provide you with expert support from start to finish of your project. I remember not too long ago when I was struggling to find that perfect door for my house. When I moved, I wished there was an easier solution, and now there is. First, we send a professional door fitter to go around your house and take precise measurements of the doors that you need. Next, our sales team will get in touch. We'll help you establish the perfect design. We'll even recommend some designs for you. Our team has also designed a door visualizer, which we will provide you with so you can see exactly how these doors will transform your space. And finally, our professional fitting team will arrive to install your doors. They will also take your old doors away if needed. By the way, the price of the architrave, the door frame, and the actual door are all included in our packages. We're making this a complete hands-off experience for you to reduce the hassle and, most importantly, save you time. But that's not all. When you choose our service, you get some amazing bonuses absolutely free, like a 10% discount from a professional fitting company to do any other work on your house. We will also provide you with a 10% discount from our website, Door Supplies Online, on flooring, wall paneling, or any other items. We'll even provide you with expertly curated ironmongery, which will help elevate your interior design. Whether it's through the phone or a convenient contact form below, we'd love to assist you. Contact us today and let's make your dream home a reality.